how to enable virtualization in Windows. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial for that. This is needed for Android emulators, VirtualBox, WSL, etc. You can follow out this method in order to check it out. So first of all, we can just go over and check if virtualization is already enabled. For that, you can press Ctrl+Shift+ESC and that should open up a task manager on our screen. Now within our task manager, we can go to performance section here and click on it. And within performance, we can select CPU here. And in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can look out for virtualization option and check it out if it is enabled or not, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to go ahead and enable it if it's disabled right here, what we can do is we can just go over and go to BIOS and look out for BIOS settings. If not that, we can enable virtualization features in Windows as well. So press Windows+R and type in optional features and hit enter. After that, this opens up and you need to check these options. So scroll down from here and look out for virtual machine. So go over and look out for virtual machine platform. Check this option. After that, we have Windows Hypervisor platform. Check this option as well. And for the Hyper-V also, you need to check it out. So look out for Hyper-V, this one right here, and enable it and click on OK and restart your PC, and that should enable the virtualization on your PC. And you can confirm if it's enabled by going to your task manager once again. But usually this is how you should be able to do it within Windows. So you can follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.